Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua here, and we are back for another week of weather analysis. And we start for today, Monday, until Wednesday, July 12 to 14, 2021. And this is our English version. If you want to visit our Tagalog version, just go to our MrTyphon.tv front page, and you will see there the link towards the Tagalog version of this analysis. So let's begin with our update. Here's the graph sat. Today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, the prevailing easterlies will continue to affect the northern and eastern sections of the Visayas, as well as northern Palawan, Calamian Island Group, Mindoro, Romblon, Marinduque, Bicol Region, Metro Manila, southern Tagalog provinces, as well as central, eastern, and extreme northern Luzon. So expect some cloudy conditions with isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly as we move into the afternoon and the evening. Outside of PAR, we still don't have any developing low pressure area. It's all clear, except for these two surface troughs moving across western and central Micronesia. And so far, that's the latest on the graph set. It's still quiet on the eastern side of the Pacific, but there are hints of the global typhoon global models that there might be a developing tropical cyclone beginning this weekend to early next week. So we are going to observe that possible formation starting this coming weekend. So watch out for that. We are going to show it to you in a short while using the medium range forecast for early next week. And here's the fast animation. As you can clearly see here, developing thunderstorms are observed all across the Philippine Islands. And if we focus the satellite on the zoom-in version from windy.com, as the afternoon progresses through the early evening, lots of isolated thunderstorms can be observed all throughout the country. And let's take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday. Most parts of the Philippine Islands will have a chance of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms from Luzon, Visayas down to Mindanao, becoming more intense across Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, western sections of the Visayas, eastern Visayas, as well the central and western portions of Mindanao. And if we look at the wind and pressure forecast from the American model for the next 3 days, it will remain light easterlies with some variable winds in some parts of the country. By tomorrow, Tuesday, still some variable winds will be expected all across the Philippine Islands except for the Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands and the eastern sections of Visayas and Bicol region because of a light easterly surface wind flow. And on Wednesday, variable winds will now commence all throughout the country except for the northernmost islands of Luzon, which includes the Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. And if we move this forecast through Saturday, here it goes. We have a developing low pressure area beginning on Saturday, July 17, and if we move it until July 21st, we have a developing tropical cyclone that is expected to move towards the Okinawa Islands. And with this track, it is likely that the southwest monsoon will start to intensify, affecting Palawan, affecting Mimaropa, western Visayas, and some portions of the Bicol region and the Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. And we have not only one, but two possible developing tropical cyclones, with the first one, which is already a tropical storm or a typhoon based on the American model, beginning Saturday, July 17 through Wednesday, July 21st. So the track is very close to the northernmost border of the Philippine Area of Responsibility, or in the vicinity of Okinawa. So that's the forecast from the American model. If we switch to the European model, Saturday and Sunday here comes the developing low pressure area, and on Monday it could become a tropical depression. Tuesday, quasi-stationary, becoming a tropical storm, and on Wednesday it could become a severe tropical storm as it lingers just near along the northeastern border of the Philippine area of responsibility. So what will be the effect towards the Philippine Islands is the enhancement of the southwest monsoon, as we can see here, based on the forecast beginning Monday to Wednesday. So based on the forecast this coming weekend through Wednesday, the probability or the confidence is still very low, less than 30% probability. So we still don't know what will be the changes. It could be a track towards Batanes or Taiwan, or even more to the north towards Japan. And we will be bringing you the latest once that system becomes an active low pressure area. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday through Wednesday, July 12 to 14. And we'll be back after 2 days. And from Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.